Welcome to the English Expressions lesson series from Daily English Vocabulary. Today's expression is cost an arm and a leg. It is an idiom. Cost an arm and a leg means to be extremely expensive. We can use this when talking about high prices, describing something that costs a lot of money, complaining about expensive products or services. Examples: that new laptop costs an arm and a leg. Their vacation cost them an arm and a leg. Buying a house in the city can cost an arm and a leg. Now it's your turn. Can you use today's expression in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. Please subscribe and join with us for more lessons.